guys, welcome back to EstherDees kitchen. Today is a beautiful Saturday morning and we are making churros pancakes. My kids love churros, and so I decided to research and see what I can do to make them for breakfast that taste like churros. So I have my flour in here, sugar, I have my salt. This is a combination of baking powder and baking soda. And then for that churros flavor, I have cinnamon. And I'm going to put a little bit of nutmeg. Whisk this together. Set aside, and we will make the wet ingredients to mix into this. And for my wet ingredients, I will use about a 1 1/3 cup of buttermilk. There. Put in 2 eggs. There we go. I will add melted butter, and it's already cooled. And then a splash of vanilla extract goes next. About a teaspoon should be okay. Whisk this together. So just mix it until it's just combined well enough, and that should be good. I have my crepes maker here, which I can also make pancakes with it, but if you don't have it, you can just use regular pan. So with that, I will take some butter. Ooh, make it drizzle there. And I'll take a scoop of my batter. And you want to cook this until you can see the bubble on top. So it depends on how thick your batter is. It could take a couple of minutes for it to cook, and so we wait. So once your pancakes, you start to see the bubbles on top, then you can go ahead and flip it. Get that golden brown. Lovely. Cook this for another couple minutes, and we move on to the next. So once these are cooked, take them out, and next I will sprinkle, for that churros taste, I will sprinkle some cinnamon sugar. Little sprinkle, and finish the rest of my pancakes. Now that we are done with our pancakes, I'm gonna make a glaze for it. So I have some powdered sugar. I'm gonna add a pinch of salt. I will add about a tablespoon of buttermilk. And if you need more, always add more. And then a splash of vanilla extract. Just a little bit.